Welcome everyone to today's Explainer. Get ready, because we're about to explore the literal universe of language. And, to help us navigate all this cosmic space, we've got our fantastic 10-year-old guide, Samantha Smartypants. Rocking her baggy blue jeans and her favorite baby pink tee, she is totally ready to help us decode the secret structures behind some of the biggest, baddest words in the dictionary. Let's just dive right in.
Here is our flight plan for today. First, the Cosmic Quiz. Second, the Challenge Round. Third, Cosmic Connections. And fourth, the Language Journey.
Section 1, the Cosmic Quiz. It's time to test your knowledge.
All right, here is your very first question. What does the root cos actually mean? Is it A, sound, B, world, C, right, or D, water? Take a quick second, think about it, and lock in your guess. And the answer is B, world. Or, to be a little more specific, the universe as an ordered whole. If you chose B, amazing job. You literally just unlocked the foundation for everything space and world-related in the English language.
Okay, let's turn up the difficulty just a notch. Which of these words means a citizen of the world? Is it A, cosmonaut, B, cosmopolitan, C, microcosm, or D, cosmos? Really look at the different pieces of these words for a second.
Well, if you guessed B, cosmopolitan, you hit the nail right on the head. Now, I know what you might be thinking. That looks like a massive, super intimidating word, but it's really not. It's actually just a simple puzzle that's waiting to be put together. Let's do some visual word math together. Step 1, we start with our core root, cosm, meaning world. Step 2, we add polit, which means citizen. Step 3, we just tack on the n suffix. Cosm plus polit plus n equals cosmopolitan, a worldly, international citizen. See how that works? We just totally demystified a giant word simply by snapping together its basic roots.
Moving on to Section 2, the Challenge Round. Big words, boss battles.
First up on the challenge ladder is cosmography, pronounced cosmography. It basically means the description of the universe or world. Now, here is an absolutely crucial spelling note to remember. You've got to watch that graphy ending. It's a Greek origin word, and connecting cos to graphy tells you right away that it's all about describing or writing about the world.
All right, next boss word, cosmogenesis. Cosmogenesis. This means the origin of the universe. Now, I know that Genesis chunk in the middle looks a little scary to spell, but when you realize it just means origin or beginning, the whole word becomes an absolute breeze. Oh, and by the way, this is closely related to cosmogony, which similarly means the origin of the world.
Now this brings us to the incredible power of opposites. Microcosm versus macrocosm. Microcosm means a small world. Macrocosm means a large world. It's crazy, but just by swapping a single prefix at the beginning, micro for small, macro for large, you completely change the entire scale of our universe.
Finally, we have the cosmonaut. Cosmonaut. That's our space traveler. Notice the spelling note here. It ends with not. And actually, that not ending is a perfect logical transition into our next phase, because it shows us exactly how different Greek roots team up.
Section 3, Cosmic Connections. Let's look at some root math.
So our core root, cosm, shares its space with other vital Greek roots to build this awesome interconnected map. Geo connects to Earth. Pol connects to city or citizen. Not connects to sailor or traveler. Graph connects to writing or description. And logi connects to study. They all just interlock perfectly.
Let's actually see these word equations in action. Cosm plus graphy gives us cosmography. Cosm plus logi gives us cosmology, the study of the universe, which, you can easily turn into the adjective cosmological. Cosm plus not gives us cosmonaut, which literally translates to a universe sailor. Building words really is just clicking together these little linguistic building blocks.
So, what's the big so what here? Why does all this matter? Well, the core takeaway is that learning just one root helps you unlock dozens of word families. If you understand the formula of how these Greek building blocks work, those massive multisyllable words become so much less scary. You literally have the power to decode them on the fly.
Section 4, the Language Journey. It's time for some time travel.
Let's step back across the centuries to see how these words actually reached us today. It all started in ancient Greece with cosmos, meaning order, world, or universe. From there, that Greek idea passed into learned Latin writing. Then, related forms moved through French as kind of a transitional step before finally being adopted into English. And today, English uses these scholarly cosm words heavily in science, literature, and global studies.
Now here is why this history lesson actually helps you today, especially if you've got a spelling test coming up. Older roots almost always keep old spellings. Knowing that cos made this massive journey starting all the way back in Greek helps you remember to anchor your spelling with the C and the O in so many related words. It's an absolutely fantastic memory trick.
And that brings us to the end of our cosmic journey today. But I want to leave you with one final thought. Next time you encounter a massive, intimidating science word out in the wild, what hidden root are you going to search for first to unlock its meaning? Will it be cos, geo, not? The whole universe of language is just waiting for you to decode it. Keep exploring, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.